Right, here we are, Must Weld Golf Stories, here with Jamie, and he's his pretty awesome Mark 1, which you would have seen in the last video, absolutely flying up the sprint track. Jamie, obviously this is not a standard Mark 1.
No, far from it.
And you've done all the work on this yourself.
I have, mate, yes.
So can you talk me through what we're looking at here, because this thing is awesome.
So it's a Mark 1 Golf. Everything on the front end is from a BMW E36.
Nice.
So that's a 2.5 litre straight six with a single turbo. It's an M50 B25. We've got BC coilovers, AM Autos manifold, Pulsar turbo. It makes about 400 horsepower. I've got a MX5 rear diff in the back with a 3.6 ratio diff. Destroy or die, all adjustable rear arms to get the maximum grip.
Wow.
We've got a rear mount rad in the car, all the fuel systems in the back. Yeah, it's pretty much a tube chassis. Yeah.
So the only Golf bit is the bodywork, really, isn't it?
Yeah, the only standard parts on the car is the windscreen, the grille and the lights.
So you're saying 400 brake horsepower?
It is.
And this obviously is probably a lot lighter, aside from the engine, than a standard Mark 1.
No, it's probably a little bit heavier actually. Yeah, I think the standard Mark 1s are about 840 kilos.
Because you've got all the frame in it, I guess. That's going to add.
Yeah, so it's a full space frame. It's a cast iron 2.5 litre straight six cylinder as well. Right, so there's obviously quite a bit of weight there. We obviously run a big radiator and everything in the back. Yeah. The car's actually pretty much, well, it's 52/48 or 53/47.
Evenly distributed, yeah.
Yeah, so we've got a fair bit of weight on the back for the extra grip. And then it's pretty much 50/50 from left to right as well.
Wicked.
So the car's very well balanced.
What sort of speed were you getting at on that sprint
I've
track?
no idea. There's no speedo in the car. I can tell you
it looked fast.
I'm on the limiter in third all the way around.
Incredible.
So,
lot of fun.
Yeah, of course.
And you're doing another run in a little bit, yeah?
Yeah. We're going back out just shortly. We'll
You're going to do some donuts at the top. Do you do races in it? Or is it just sprints?
So I'm a professional drifter. I'm actually competing tomorrow over at Three Sisters in Wigan. Excellent. So as soon as we finish this last run, we'll be packing up and going straight over to Wigan to get set up over there. But this will be my 4th season in the car. Yeah. So it's not touched it since I built it, I've got to admit.
Excellent. Wow. So it's all pretty reliable then, even though the absolute thrashing you're giving it.
I'd like touch wood.
Oh God.
Yeah.
Fingers crossed nothing goes wrong.
Pretty much, yeah. It's a very reliable car. Like I put it away the last winter and got it out, and she fired straight up this summer. So it's a great car. Brilliant.
Cool. Well, I'll let you get back to your family.
Yeah, no worries. Thanks very much.
Cool car.
Cheers,
man.
Thanks.
We'll leave you with a little video of Jamie doing what he does best. If you enjoyed this video, please consider dropping a like and subscribe. There's a link to Jamie's channel over in the description down below. Check out his Instagram, Must Weld Motorsport, and check out his YouTube channel as well. And Jamie, all the best of luck with the championship.
For an hour, yeah. That will start at 3.
Yeah, they'll practice at 3.